Hey, this is Frugal Panda here, and this is a video of our ride down the Denver Trail System on the outskirts of Denver, Colorado, which takes you to downtown Denver. This trail system is pretty extensive. I rode the Rad Mini, and she rode the Lectric XP. I had her ride the Lectric XP because that's the one she's going to ride a lot of times when we go on trips. One, because it has a smaller battery than the Rad Mini, and also I weigh probably 80 pounds more than her. Now, this ride was probably about 25 to 28 miles both ways. So it was important that I was conscious of it in regards to the batteries because I didn't know how well they would do. Now, in fact, she didn't want to ride higher than 3 because she has never really ridden the Lectric XP. She had the smaller Anshire, which has a lot easier to manage power. Now, the good thing about riding on these levels was that I conserved a lot of battery. Of course, I weigh over 200 pounds, so I, of course, use a lot more battery power when I'm riding. Now, with that being said, if you watch the video, you'll see her at times like just take off on me. Now, remind yourself, she's definitely going to downtown Denver. She's in level 3 on the Lectric XP, which is unlocked. So it has a top speed of 28. But also remind yourself, she only weighs around 115-ish pounds, besides having that lopsided backpack on that after we got somewhere, I was like, why did you bring that backpack? You didn't need it, But anyway, yeah, so that's to tell you the difference in how it will take off, especially with a lighter weight rider on it than, say, me on it. Did it take off on me when I'd ride it? Yes, but nothing like her. You would think she was on level 5 sometimes when she put it in 3. She rode a lot in 2, but sometimes I have to push her to put it to 3. Just because, I wanted to kind of speed it up a little bit. But luckily, riding like that, we had plenty of battery to get to where we were going in downtown Denver and to get all the way back to the vehicle. Now, with that being said, by the time we got back, remind yourself she has a smaller battery. She still was showing 2 batteries levels on hers left. I was showing 1 by the time we got to the end. How far I could have went after that, I have no idea, but we made it back by then. But that's definitely a difference also in weight, because if I would have been on that bike and rode it, I would have likely I would have ran out of battery. I guarantee I would not have had 1 bar with me. It's just it's an 80-pound plus difference, in weight. So, but if you're a lighter rider, whether it's the Rad Mini or it's the Lectric XP, you will really feel like you're flying when you're in level 3. And like I said, it's unlocked. So I think it goes maybe 17 miles an hour in level 3. But with her on it, like I said, watch the video. You'll see you're like, holy crap, is she in level 5? Because she took off really fast. No, that's at max level 3 for her. I couldn't really get her to go to level 4 because with her on it, like she said, it makes her feel like she's going to fly off the back, and I totally get it. Anyway, and it was also her first time really getting adjusted to riding this bike, but she did like riding it. I will get her a better seat for it. The seat on the Lectric XP is actually a better seat than what came originally on my Rad Mini, but a Cloud 9 or one like I got are still better than either one of them. So anyway, enjoy this video, and like I said, I'll put up a part 2. This was a really long video that I edited down, but if you ever get a chance, check out the Denver Trail System. It takes you all throughout downtown. It's very enjoyable. There's tons of little places to eat, hang out. I'd recommend if you want to check out downtown, there's different parking areas you can go where you can catch the trail system. So you may want to get one that's closer than what we got, just so you got tons of juice to fly around downtown and check it out before you hop back on the trail and go back to your vehicle. Anyway, everyone, I hope you're having a good day, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. And like I said, with the Rad Minis and Lectric XP, they're both pretty fun bikes. My recommendation, depending on your budget, if you can afford it, get the Rad Mini just because of the smoother power, but the Lectric XP is tons of fun too. Just make sure you stay up on the maintenance really well on it. But like I said, she likes it. She thinks it's great. Here's the thing is, I didn't let her ride my Rad Mini. And the reason I didn't let her ride my Rad Mini is because I know my wife, and I know because the power it comes on a lot smoother and all that stuff. This is what she would say to me: "Oh, I like your bike. Let me ride this one." And I would never be able to ride my Rad Mini again, and then I'd be stuck on the Lectric XP with the smaller battery running out of juice somewhere. Anyway, have a great day, everyone.
where someone threw one of those in the river.
So this right here is the Platte River in downtown Denver. It's a lot smaller than the one, of course, in Nebraska where we were at. You can, I think, wade right across it, but it's pretty cool. Right across from the REI, which is that big red building, which is a really cool camping store to go to in downtown Denver. We have other places, but this one's really cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope you're having a good day. I'll put a part 2 of this up later on.